There are everyday homes, and there are homes with a little something extra. I'm Kelli Ellis, designer, artist, and lifelong traveler. I've been fortunate enough to see some truly incredible places in every corner of the world. But now I'm gonna take you with me behind the doors of some seriously phenomenal homes. From custom bowling alleys to sprawling car galleries, from skybox lounges to bespoke personal resorts and more. We're gonna take a deep dive into the world of absolutely, fabulously, utterly extravagant home design. This is Extravagant Spaces. Mark, what am I looking at here?
This is our Italian-inspired villa with a little transitional edge to it.
I can see that. I've got a good vibe of what you've got going on here, and it looks enormous.
It's enormous, but we broke it up to my little normal components.
Okay.
So you'll see with the courtyards and the room sizes are what I tend to use everywhere.
I can't wait to see it.
All right, let's go check it out.
All right.
Okay, so here we go. You ready?
Oh my gosh.
How's
yeah,
this for an entrance?
Incredible.
Hi, guys.
This is my partner, Meredith Thompson,
Hi,
architect.
Kelli, nice to meet you.
Hey, Mark.
How are you, my dear?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Well, I just noticed this, but you kind of color coordinate here.
This is my
This
house.
entry's made for you.
This is my house.
Yeah.
I mean, this is truly, if I was gonna get dressed every day and my house would look like something, it'd be this. Little touch of gold, black and white.
I know.
This is really a stunning entry.
It's a statement entry for sure.
And this is an Italian-inspired villa, so we started off with the Murano glass chandelier, of course.
Stunning. It really is stunning. And the scale, you really just need to take this in. I mean, the ceilings are incredible. Oh.
Yeah, so the house is inspired by the Italian villa, but we really kind of found the happy home for the pendulum between traditional and modern.
Yeah.
And I think we're
Love it.
right at 6 o'clock. I think we're
I
right on
love it.
Yeah, this sets the tone for the rest of the house.
Are you ready for something a little extra?
I'm always ready for that.
Let's go.
Okay. An incredible set of doors. Can we just talk about these handles? I've never seen anything like
Yeah,
it.
we didn't do anything,
Shy or
just,
small.
No,
We went for it.
We amped it up a little bit here. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's see.
Here we go. Welcome to the
Oh, wow.
office library.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The scale again is so beautiful.
This library office is right off the primary suite. So if you can't sleep in the middle of the night, you can pop in here, get a little work done. But it's just a beautiful space to just enjoy the evening or start your day. But
Gorgeous.
let's
spot.
go see the primary suite. You ready?
I can't wait.
Oh,
Show
yeah,
me.
it's more like the primary wing.
Primary wing,
I'm
exactly.
not surprised.
Yeah.
So this is the primary wing living room.
Of course it is.
Yeah.
As you do. And the view, again, spectacular. Wow.
And once again, traditional paneling with some really fun contemporary touches.
That's the theme here. And then you raise your eye and you see another beautiful, beautiful light fixture.
Yeah, it was all about volume
Yeah.
and view.
Yes.
I love the color of
I
this
do
space
too.
It's very soothing and it kind of like calms you down. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
So I think
Wow.
it's just a great spot to kind of get ready for bed. And so
Relax.
let's go check out the main bedroom area.
Can't wait.
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow.
Right off the sitting area.
So beautiful and complimentary. So again, I'm just gonna be looking at lighting fixtures this entire time because I'm so drawn. Beautifully, they match. You've got this great feel. Can I comment too that, again, it's not oversized? I
No.
mean, this is
No.
a spectacular home.
Yeah, so we broke the two spaces off. So this still stays small and intimate and
Yeah.
cozy. We
It's
brought the
comfortable.
theme of the colorization through. So it all ties together, but you definitely break down the proportion and the scale.
I
Yeah.
love that you do that.
Light from both sides again, light coming in from the hall. We took advantage of all those axes.
And what a view.
Yeah.
What a view.
You're laying in bed, you see the whole mountain.
It's a theme for you. I've seen you walk 10 paces, no more than 10 paces, and there's a view.
Yeah.
That's the jam. I
Yep.
love it.
But you guys were only scratching the surface
Oh.
on this wing.
There's more wing.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Okay.
come on.
We got a
We
lot
gotta see
extra to show you.
A lot more.
Sure.
So this is her bath.
Of course it
Yeah.
is. Wow, so chic.
Yeah, both of them wanted their own views out to the mountain, so
Wow,
that's
I
what we
love
did.
it. Truly beautiful.
And a little
Really.
pop of color.
Of course, and the gold and the fixtures and just, it's elevated.
Well, you also have a nice view of her closet from here. So let's go check
I just
that
got
out.
a glimpse and I'm dying.
I know.
Yeah,
It's-
let's go.
It's like a department store. Come on, let's go look.
What am I looking at?
Go do a little shopping.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So this is not a department store. This is
Are
her
you
closet.
sure?
Yeah,
I don't
know.
believe you.
I know.
no.
It feels like it.
It
but
really does. Again, I matched this room. I just want everyone to notice.
You did really
You
good
did. Look,
today.
this house
yeah.
is great for you.
I really do fit into this house. Yes, I might stay. Wow.
Well, I just love how everything's displayed. I mean, the shoes, the purses, the handbags, the shopping bags.
Yeah.
It's just fabulous.
All of the closets have indoor lighting that really just showcase it. It just makes it feel like you're
A store.
somewhere special.
Like a store, like you are the VIP shopper in this store.
Yeah, with some fun pops of carpet.
I love
And
it.
then the chandeliers again. I just die
Okay.
over them.
He doesn't have his clothes in here.
No, he has his own closet.
Okay.
Let's go play a little football.
Really?
Yeah, come on.
Show me. Wow. Like a VIP client.
I know.
Wow, a little bit of football.
Yeah, a little homage to all the NFL teams right here in your closet.
What? Wow, what a cool detail.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Really, really neat. I've never seen that before.
And again, we lit the hanging and the shoes, so it has that department store feel, but it's his store.
Yeah.
It really does, and you can tell, again, like most of your homes, you guys really, really accent who the homeowner is.
Right.
You do it perfectly. It's so funny, but you really see it in the closets.
It's true.
Right?
Yeah, it's tailored for more masculine, but it's his home personal space.
I
Right.
really like it in here.
So now we're back in the main part of the house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And right off the entry, on the other side of the office, we have this dining room.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, it complements it in the same size and shape, but as you can see, it has a totally different feeling.
And the ceiling, again, gorgeous. Lighting, gorgeous.
Yeah,
I feel
brought
like
the
I'm in a
little
museum.
dormers.
Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful? I just love, I love dining in dining rooms, and I think it's something that more people need to do.
Yeah.
And this is really meant to draw you in here and stay here and have a fabulous dinner.
Oh, absolutely. Wow, wow, wow. I really do feel like it's a museum feel, probably because the art is so stunning.
Yeah.
And the lighting is so stunning, but it's, again, the scale. And I love the way you do this cove lighting and the windows.
Yep.
Wow.
And then the doors open to a beautiful courtyard that's got the crunchy gravel, and it just gives you that real European vibe. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
in case you get a little thirsty.
Yeah, why have a wall when you can have a wine wall?
Right.
Two
yeah.
wine walls.
Yeah.
Why have a hallway when you can just make it wine?
Right. Okay, so if you're gonna have a fabulous dinner in that dining room,
Yeah.
can you imagine the kitchen we have to have?
No.
Oh.
No.
There's
I can't.
something extra in there.
Oh, of course there is. All
A
right,
little
I
extra in
love
the
it.
kitchen.
I'm
It's
ready.
close by. Here you
I'm
go.
ready. Let's go. What is all of this?
Yeah, so there's a real focal point here in the kitchen, if you haven't missed it yet.
I did not miss it, and I don't even know where to look first. Wow.
Yeah, it was really fun when the clients said that they wanted to introduce this into their kitchen because it's the only one in North America so far.
That's the reason I've never seen one
Yeah,
before.
right.
The largest La Cornue in North America.
Yeah, custom for this
Oh,
house.
You have to cook in here. How
This
do you know?
family loves to cook. So we had so much fun designing this with them. And we've traveled with these clients to both Italy and to Spain.
Yeah.
Of course.
So we've
They have a
formed
real
this great
passion.
bond. We've done cooking classes with them. It's just
You
been
could
so
do
fun.
classes in here. I mean, there's so much
You definitely
countertop
could.
space.
I think this guy wants to be cooking on that. Yeah.
I'm waiting for another adoption.
Honestly, you could really hold classes. I mean, look, there's two giant islands in here, and then you got this beast.
Yeah, so once again, a lot of people can be in this space while you're cooking, but not be in your space, which is really nice.
Exactly.
Away from your jewel, your jewel box here. No touching.
Yeah, don't touch it. Oh, it's really stunning.
Okay, so now it is time to have a little fun,
Oh
right?
my. How many toys are in here?
Lots of toys.
All of them, yeah.
We got an indoor-outdoor bar, poker table, pool table,
Air hockey?
table,
Pinball.
shuffleboard, pinball,
Yeah.
and a Wurlitzer to crank up some tunes.
Yeah.
Wow.
One of my favorite ceilings of the house.
Oh yeah, so cool. This
It's a little
whole
Art
room.
Deco vibe with the lighting, but
Okay, I just have to comment on so indoor, outdoor, but as soon as you cross the threshold, you are in a game room.
yeah.
It's
Totally.
so moody and cool in here.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow, I mean, unbelievable. This whole bar looks like a hotel.
Right?
Yeah.
Really incredible.
Yeah, and you can have a couple games on. You got a TV there by the bar. You got a nice TV here by the shuffleboard. But you know, if you want to watch a movie or something,
Oh, of course. Yeah,
where do we go, Meredith?
Not far, right behind us.
Okay, because the TVs aren't enough.
No.
No, we need something bigger.
We need
A little extra.
showtime.
Yeah.
Let's do some showtime.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Okay, show me. Stop!
But see, you're not in a theater per se. You're still in the game room.
Yeah.
So everyone can still be part of the
Intimate.
action. And you can still enjoy the outdoors. But if you want to black it out, it's easy to do. Okay, so it can be pretty hot here in Arizona,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But when you come down here, subterranean, how cool is this, right? Literally.
It was so cool.
Yeah, it turns out the footprint of a garage is the perfect size for a bowling alley.
Turns out.
Yeah.
The math
So why
works.
not?
Wow, I love the design elements here. Really well thought out. I mean,
And we didn't want to just do a bowling alley. We wanted a place where people could hang out, just like we did upstairs. So we created this little speakeasy.
Lounge.
very, very
With some
cool.
really cool details. That's an old bowling alley that makes up
course.
that countertop. And then we put bowling pins up in the ceiling.
I love that.
Yeah.
So well done. Everything is very elevated. You know, it's fun, but you've got this really classy touch to everything.
Maintains the mood of the house.
It's elegant.
Yeah,
It's like
totally.
fun elegance. I don't know how you've done it, but you really knocked it out of the park.
No, it was a strike.
Oh,
If the inside wasn't enough, we've got all these extra exterior spaces to enjoy.
so many.
Yeah. We've
Yeah.
got about 4 covered patios, I think, not including the pool pavilion.
with,
wow.
with the double slides for the
Yeah.
kids.
I want to jump in the pool.
Yeah, let's do it.
I am not surprised, but always surprised. You
Yeah.
guys really knocked this one out of the park, or what did you say before?
A strike?
Yeah. I mean, truly, truly incredible home. This is an entertainer's delight.
Yeah,
There's
it's
not
beautiful.
much it's missing.
No.
Yeah.
And don't forget about Camelback Mountain.
Oh, that does a lot of the work for us.
It
So
did.
beautiful.
Who can forget about Camelback Mountain? The landscaping, and the outdoor space. So many times I forget I'm actually in the desert.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's an oasis.
An oasis. Exactly what this is.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed this.
I enjoyed it immensely. Beautiful job.
Come
Really
back to
beautiful
Arizona
job.
Yeah, love having you.
anytime.
Okay.
Okay?
Twist my arm.
All right.
Twist my arm.
Next time you guys are going down the slides.
Ooh,
Can't wait.
ready.
Okay.